Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to make ramen noodles. This is going viral on TikTok these days. So I thought to give a try. It tastes really good and different. Okay, now let's go to the video. I am using Maggi instant noodles. Any type of noodles can be used. Cook in low flame for about 2 minutes. Remember not to cook it too much. Let's keep this aside. Add 1/3 cup of water. 2 tablespoons soya sauce. If you don't have soya sauce, you can use dark soya sauce too. Sugar 1 tablespoon. Get the correct quantity as I said to get the best taste. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil to a pan. Then add chopped garlic. When the garlic turned into brown in color, add some leeks. Mix them together. Add 1.5 tablespoon of chili flakes. It's tastier if you can add more chili flakes, because we added sugar to the sauce. Add the sauce. Cook the sauce for few minutes. Pinch of salt. Then add the noodles and mix. Mix all ingredients well. Hope you will love this recipe. Please do try and let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel.